make the best
pterodactylus
in the world. I believe you'll do your best.
You'll need 4 colors of clay: violet, pink, light green, and black.
First, we're going to make
a box. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then roll it into a spindle shape with your hands and bend it with your fingers. Well done. The body is done. It's time to model some legs. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Well done. The legs are done. Let's model a head. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Roll it into a spindle shape with your fingers and make deepening with a pencil. Hooray! The head is done. Model some eyes. Take a piece of light green clay and roll 2 little balls. Then make deepening with a pencil. Hooray! The eyes are done. Let's make some pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Awesome job! The pupils are done. Let's model some wings. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 2 big balls. Roll them into a spindle shape with your hands. Then bend them with your fingers and pin them with your fingers and flatten them with your hands. Then take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into cones with your hands and bend them with your fingers. Great job! The wings are done. It's time to make some toes. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Well done. The toes are done. Model some fingers. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. You've done it. The fingers are done. Great. You have one more pterodactylus in your collection. What about the next character?
Wow, this is the best version of me. Keep on.